Welcome, viewers, and get ready to dive into one of the Bible's lesser-known yet powerful books, Nahum, chapters 1 through 3. Nahum might not be as familiar as Genesis or Revelation, but its message is as riveting as any blockbuster. Now, if you've never read Nahum, don't worry. Picture the fall of a mighty city and the forces that bring it down. Intrigued? Let's start with chapter 1.
Here, Nahum doesn't waste time setting the stage. He goes right into action by introducing God as a jealous and avenging entity. The focus is a city named Nineveh and God's intention to bring justice.
Verse 7 is key here. The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in him. It sets a contrasting tone against the impending doom for oppressors. The chapter captures God's overwhelming power and his protective nature over those who follow him. Moving to chapter 2, it's like watching an ancient action movie. Here, Nahum vividly describes the siege and downfall of Nineveh. Imagine the clash of chariots and the chaotic noise of battle. It's gripping. The chapter emphasizes that the city's wealth and might can't save it from divine judgment. A verse to note is Nahum 2:13. I am against you, declares the Lord Almighty. It's a powerful reminder that no amount of human strength can resist God's will.
Finally, chapter 3 paints an even darker picture. The city's sins are laid bare. Violence, deception, and idolatry have reached their zenith. Verse 19 sums up the entire ordeal. Nothing can heal you, your wound is fatal.
It's a dramatic end that underlines the inevitability of divine justice. The chapters are a wake-up call emphasizing that hubris and injustice will lead to downfall. In essence, Nahum gives us a stark portrayal of justice and serves as a warning, yet promises refuge for those who remain faithful.